This is Zelda from TNZ RV Life, and I am documenting my ketogenic journey. I started February 1st, and I have lost 14.6 pounds since that date. I'm also using intermittent fasting, and when I did keto years ago, I lost 45 pounds, and then I ate a lot of carbs and slowly put it back on. So now I'm working harder to get this weight back off. I am, like I said, using intermittent fasting, and the way I'm doing it right now is I am skipping my breakfast and having that later, anywhere between 11 and 1 p.m., 11 a.m., 1 p.m. I went to church today, so I ended up having lunch a little bit later, about 1:30, and I'm very proud to say I did not eat any carbs today. With my salad, yes, but Tony has a new pasta maker machine, and we put it together today, and he made his first batch of pasta, and it looked beautiful. It was wonderful. Michael and him ate it, and it was great. And I didn't have one strand, not one single strand, no spaghetti sauce, nothing. I said, wait till I eat before we mess with this, because I didn't want to not eat. And then we would, hold on. I didn't want to be hungry. That's what it was. I didn't want to be hungry trying to make pasta because the sauce smelled great when I walked in. The spaghetti looked wonderful coming out of the machine, but I kept my goal in mind. My goal is to get down below 200 pounds. I don't know when that will happen, but it's slowly getting there. Pound by pound, it's getting there. And I'm not sure. Did I say that I'm 14.6 pounds lighter? I am 14.6 pounds lighter, and I'm so excited about that. And this is Sunday. I'm not sure what the date is. It's Sunday. I'm going to have this video up either Sunday or Monday. I feel great. Now, with my intermittent fasting on Sunday, it is a little different. Because the service is a little bit longer during the day, it's a few hours. Everything in Sunday school also. I wanted to make sure I had something to eat, but not like a meal. So what I did, I made a cup of coffee with heavy cream and my allulose. I don't know if allulose breaks so fast. I'm not sure if heavy cream breaks so fast. It may, but the point was just to have something on my stomach that had some fats in it to keep me satisfied while I was in church. Or while we were in church. And that worked. For Sunday school, I had a cup of coffee. And when I came home, that's when we tackled the pasta machine after I ate. My meals have been pretty much about the same. I have a salad, spring mix with a piece of salmon for this week because Tony bought a large slab of salmon, and I just cut me off sections so that I can cook it as each day. And that worked wonderful. It's keeping me satisfied. Along with that, I have my feta cheese on top, olive oil, vinegar, and I said feta cheese. And I have my cup of coffee. I have this frog in my throat. I have the coffee and I have 2 fat bombs. So that is very satisfying to me. When you have your meal, you want to try to eat it as normal as possible. Don't go overeating, because that's going to lead you right back to where you were trying to get out of before. So, try to have it as normal as possible. And then as you're fasting, you want to keep, I'm going to tell you what I like to do. I like to keep at least 3 to 4 hours minimum between the times that I eat, like the lunch and the dinner. That way my food has time to digest. I also want to eat and be done 6:30 p.m., 7:30 the latest, so that I can go to sleep on an empty stomach. I don't want to have, I don't want to eat anything at least 3 hours before I go to sleep. I've noticed that makes me sleep better. So I will put up here or here, I'm not sure which place I'm going to put it, of just the salad that I had with the salmon and the fat bombs I showed you in another video, and I have the coffee. I have some guacamole in the refrigerator when I am needing some satisfaction without a whole lot of calories. That is very satisfying, but guacamole has a lot of garlic, and I try not to eat any garlic or onion, anything when I first, with the first meal after not eating at night. I'll have it for dinner, but I just don't want a whole lot of it. I think that was about it. Did I know I told you. I had to have told you. I'm 14.6 pounds lighter. Oh, yeah. I am very happy. I'm not sure if I said it. I am not sure, because I had to make this video 3 times because it stopped recording and it just messed up. But yes, I'm 14.6 pounds lighter. I'm going to have this video up today, Sunday, or Monday, the latest. So I hope you are doing well on your journeys. Thank you for those that are leaving comments and encouraging me, as you're encouraging me. And I hope that my journey encourages you. So Tony says hi, Michael says hi, and I say see you on the next video. Bye.